Sinabi nga ito ni Bam Adebayo matapos ng kanyang grabing 83-point historic performance laban sa Wizards. Pero bago yan ay pakinggan muna natin ang mga sinabi ni Kelly Oubre Jr. na binigyang credit etong ang si Bam pero sa huli ay may patama pa nga rin. Pakinggan natin si Kelly Oubre.
Well, one, I'm going to say it's definitely legendary. The box score, right? The number. But, and shout out to Bam, right? You know, he's just implemented himself in history. And I'm kind of salty that he bested Kobe. It's one of my favorite players for sure. But I'm going to just say this, man. Joel did it efficiently and he did it in 3 quarters.
Well, ganyan ang sinabi nga na ginawa na rin daw yan ni Joel Embiid ng mas efficient tapos in just 3 quarters pa. Well, 2 years ago itong si Embiid nag-drop ng 70 points on a very efficient shooting percentage in just 3 quarters laban sa Spurs. And then ito namang si Kevin Durant, ito ang kanyang naging reaksyon sa performance ni Bam Adebayo. Pakinggan natin.
I couldn't believe it when I was hearing it in real time. Just like, he got 30 in the first quarter, he got 70. Congratulations to Bam. I know how much work he puts in. I looked at the stat sheet. It's pretty crazy. 40 shots, 40 free throws, 23s. That takes a lot of stamina, man. That takes a lot of energy to go out there and put those shots up, but also make them and set a record.
At ito na nga mga sinabi ni Bam Adebayo sa post-game interview, ang kanyang reaksyon nandito nga sa kanyang grabing historic performance. Pakinggan natin dito nga sa una kung saan sinabi niya na pagpasok niya sa NBA, aba hindi naman siya ilala bilang scorer kung hindi defender. Pakinggan natin ang ilan sa kanyang mga sinabi.
Like I said, man, came into this league as a defender and a lob threat, and obviously my trainers, Ronnie Taylor, Kevin Graves, even Karan Butler, and you know those are the emotional moments because they see me, you know, at my lowest behind the scenes. They've seen me like at the lowest, at the bottom of the bottom, trying to figure out how to really pick myself up. So this is a special moment. It's Wilt, me, then Kobe, which sounds crazy.
At natanong naman din siya patungkol nga dito kay Kobe na kanyang binreg ang kanyang scoring record na 81 points na ngayon ay 83 na. Pakinggan natin ang sinabi niya patungkol kay Kobe.
To me, it's wondering what he would say. Seeing somebody, you know, obviously you've seen 60, 70, but like to be 83 and you pass him, you know, in my mind it's like, what would he say to me? Because I've always wanted to have a conversation with him, but he'll probably say me do it again. But just a surreal moment being in the company with somebody you idolized growing up.
At nabanggit nga rin dito ni Bam Adebayo na something special is about to happen nung sa halftime nga daw nung may 40 plus points siya. Ito ang kanyang pag-aamin dito sa post-game. Pakinggan natin ang saglit.
Probably when I had 45 at the half. And obviously my teammates was very geeked at halftime. So for me, it was just remaining calm and remaining locked in and understanding like I can go for something special. Now, I didn't think it was going to be 83. But
At matapos nga niyan ay alam nyo ba naging emosyonal itong si Bam Adebayo nung pabalik na nga siya dito nga sa locker room ng Miami Heat. At ito, panoorin natin ang ilan sa mga kaganapan after the historic game.
Free throw. Get you 83.
Man, what's up? A lot of emotions. One was making the free throw. But to have that moment, to be marked in history forever, you know, I wasn't able to just score coming into this league and be able to get 83 is special. No, I would have taken you out at 7. That's sir. That's okay.
Damn it! You did it.
At yan nga ang ilan sa mga kaganapan at ilan sa mga nasabi ng mga NBA players and most importantly itong si Bam Adebayo sa kanyang naging 83-point historic performance ngayong araw na ito.